Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. We continue to be moving in this triangle. I think we see triangles everywhere now. It was so far the correct decision to remain focused on the Elliott wave triangle, and in this video I would really like to only focus on the triangle because everything else has been discussed in previous videos. So what we're doing, we're going to zoom in to the triangle and try to understand where we are here on the triangle. Towards the end of the triangle we have a pretty full Elliott wave triangle count here in place. Ideally I would like to see a higher E wave, to get the proportions right. However, I can tell you that this is a pretty full E wave already, because we have an ABC structure in the E wave, and that's fine. There is nothing stopping the chart to do an extended three-wave structure like this, because this could just be an A wave, this could be a B wave, and we get a higher C wave in wave E. However, it is pulled back quite dramatically now already off the E wave high. So the idea of such an Elliott wave triangle is that it will break to the opposite side of the E wave. The overall idea is that we are currently, of course, in a wave 2 correction. We've been talking about that extensively over the last few days. In this wave 2 correction, you typically would expect an ABC sub-wave structure. So the A wave was done. The B wave could be unfolding as a triangle. Alternatively, we could get a high B wave. That would occur if we have a break above 42 cents. I could not count it then as a triangle any longer, and it would put the probabilities towards a high B wave, which can go quite a bit higher, possibly even all the way up to and maybe even overshooting the wave 1 high, which was made on the 15th of April. I don't necessarily think that will happen on the ADA chart though, because it is quite far away from that swing high which was made on the 15th or 16th of April compared to Bitcoin, which is much closer. Okay, so I just have difficulties to believe that ADA would front run everything. But it is of course possible. Therefore, I'm focused mainly on this triangle wave count, that the B wave unfolds as a triangle and that the triangle would break to the downside. So now let's talk about the subwave structure of the E wave, and also let's talk about the key breakout points. So let's zoom in. You can see that the top of the A wave of the triangle is 42 cents. By taking out 42 cents, we would invalidate the triangle and the higher B wave would come into the focus of the analysis. A break to the downside is what we want to see as per this wave count. The D wave low, when that is taken out at around 37.9 cents or 38 cents, this will be a first strong indication that the triangle is breaking. It could by then still extend out though. So the confirmation that the triangle is broken would be below or obtained below the 37.8 cent level. That is the low of the B wave. So these are the key and relevant levels to watch out for. If we now take a look at this E wave triangle, as I already suggested, it could very well be that this is already done now, the E wave, because Bitcoin and Ethereum show a similar potential. This could have been an A wave, a B wave and a C wave in an overall E wave triangle. But if we take out the current E wave high at 39.5 cents, this is going to give us a higher E wave. But until then, the focus could be on the downside, but I have already moved quite a bit. We have already moved quite a bit, and if we now take out those swing lows I highlighted, it's a good indication the triangle is breaking to the downside, and we already started the day with a bit of selling pressure ahead of the Fed interest rate decision today, which could certainly shake up the markets a little bit. Be aware when we have decisions like that, often before they occur, before they come, the market is moving rather slowly, and then in a few minutes sometimes scenarios are playing out. So sometimes you get extreme distortions, sometimes the waves will run into the extremes. So as long as you're aware of that, that's fine. And until then, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.